Don't make noise.
But yes, I would like something to eat. Hi friends! I hope you are having an inspiring day. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new. My name is Mel, and today I have my best friend with me here. Hi! I'll leave her handles here as well as in the description box below if you want to follow her. So both of us kind of wear our hair in these effortless kind of beachy waves. Not that we have them in our hair right now, but it's typically what we're in like 24/7. So we figured that we would show you guys how to create the waves on two very different types of hair. Mine is sort of coarser, there's a lot more breakage and damage, and then Vic's is a little bit more fine.
A little bit fine, and it's like pretty long and super straight.
And we'll also be showing you guys 3 super easy hairstyles to use your waves for the full week without actually having to change it up too much. Our amazing friends at OGX graciously sponsored this video, so a big thank you to them, and also bless their hearts for making the best dry shampoo ever. If you like this video and hair videos like this, make sure to give it a big inspired thumbs up. Make sure to comment below and let us know which look was your favorite, and if you wear your hair in these beachy waves too. I know it's super trendy right now. And if you are new to the Inspired family, of course we would love it if you would subscribe. So we're gonna start by showing you how we do the waves on both of our hair, and then we're gonna move into each look. But with that, let's get right into the video. So for me, I find the easiest is to section my hair into 3. First, at around your ear, next around your temple, and lastly the crown of my head.
When I section my hair, I like to split it in half and tie it off into 2 ponytails. Taking one side, I start from the front and work my way back.
Since my hair is a little bit shorter, and I like my waves to be a little bit looser, I find the best way to wave out my hair is to focus on curling the middle of the section and then leaving the ends kind of loose.
Because my hair is so long, it tends to weigh down and my curls fade out quite quickly. I like to start my curls at the base of the root to give it added volume and to make my curls last longer.
To finish off your waves and to make your waves look not so fluffy, you want to make sure you find a really good texturizing spray, like this bodifying bamboo fiber full tussle spray from OGX.
The spray is great for adding extra texture and creating volume to help define your curls.
And there's nothing we love more than piecey, messy looking, effortless waves. So to make your top knot, you can really section your hair wherever you'd like.
Twist the section into a tight little bun at the top of your head. Don't worry too much about making it look clean.
The messier the bun, the better. When you're all done twisting, make sure to wrap the bottom of the section around the base of your bun to give it that nice finished look.
Then you want to go ahead and pull some pieces out to really loosen up that bun and give it that extra messy look.
That fluff, you gotta have that fluff. Dry shampoo is literally our best friend.
Best friend.
For this look, I like to use the bamboo fiber full dry shampoo. I love the way it adds a little bit more volume to my roots and blends in with the volume of my fluffy bun. When you spray in your dry shampoo, you want to make sure you are spraying it in between really nice light sections. Et voila, you've got your top bun. I don't know about you guys, but I used to find braiding and side braids especially super intimidating. Start by making a really deep part in your hair and put that hair aside. Then with your other section, grab a small piece of hair at the top and begin braiding.
As you continue braiding, make sure to add more hair to your braid as you move back. Stop braiding close to once you've passed your ears. Lift up some of the hair in the back of your head and pin your braid underneath it. Flip the hair back over so that it helps to blend the end of the braid.
You want to keep your braid in place, so finding a really good hairspray is mucho importante. And this extra strength honey hold mega hairspray is one of our favorites.
Spray directly onto the side of the braid and smooth it down. Now you're going to take that dry shampoo and go back onto your deep part. In light sections, spray it in as you typically would.
And you're done. Business on one side, party on the other. Flip that deep part, girl. Next up, you're gonna use that same look we just did to do another one. This time, you're gonna go ahead and braid up your deep part.
Repeat what you just did on the other side. Don't worry if you mess up, just keep braiding.
Just keep braiding, just keep braiding, just keep braiding, braiding, braiding. Tie off your braid with a hair tie a couple inches up. Next, you're gonna go ahead and take all of your hair back into a bun.
It can be any kind of bun that you want, but we both love a nice low bun.
And to finish everything off, we are going to go in with the king of all hairsprays, the Smoothing and Shea Sleek Humidity Blocking Hairspray. I don't know about you, but anything that is humidity blocking has my vote.
Make sure to spray all over and smooth everything down. While most hairsprays tend to really dry out our hair, this one is extremely nourishing thanks to its shea butter and marula oil.
It's literally so hot and humid in Toronto, and this kiddo is keeping us super sleek. Et voila, the easiest updo ever. And that is it for our Easy Waves hair tutorial. We hope you guys liked it. We are not hair gods at all or hair gurus, but this is just some easy hair tips if you are kind of noobs like ourselves. Some easy hair products, easy throw up and go looks that we use pretty much on a daily basis, especially because we don't really wash our hair too often. I know you'll notice that there was a lot of dry shampoo in the video, and that is because we literally live off that. We wash our hair maybe, what?
Once, twice a week max?
Twice a week max. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching and hanging out with us. And again, thank you so much to our fam at OGX for sponsoring this video. If you did like this video, we would love it if you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment below. Let us know if you liked these easy looks.
Which one was your favorite?
Which one was your fave? And if you are new to the Inspire family, of course, we would love it if you join us and subscribe. But with that, we hope you have an inspiring day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!